One of my subscribers gifted me this portable washing machine. Thank you very much. It's a CostWay brand 17.6 pound washing machine. It'll do 11 pounds wash and 5 pounds spin dry. This is going to be pretty useful for me here off grid. There's a laundromat about 10 miles away in a RV park that's open to the public. And I'll definitely continue to use that for large things like blankets. But for small day-to-day laundry, I'd rather not sit in a laundry room for a couple hours. And it's $2 a wash and $2 a dry, so there is a cost to it, plus gas and driving back and forth. This is a nice little machine. As you can see, it's not very large. They say 11 pounds of laundry. I put in a pair of pants, a pillowcase, a hand towel, 7 pairs of boxers, and 7 pairs of socks. And that filled up the drum about 3/4 of the way. It took about 6 or 7 gallons of water for the wash, and that'll be 6 or 7 gallons of water for the rinse as well. It uses a bit of electricity. The wash cycle uses about 450 watts, but it's not steady. It looks like it's on 15-30 seconds, off for about 15-30 seconds. You set the timer for how long you want to wash, up to 15 minutes. When the wash cycle is over, you just turn the knob to drain, and it drains the water through a little hose attached at the bottom. And that's just gravity fed, there's no pump. You can see by the color of the water that it did a pretty good job cleaning my clothes. The spin cycle does a pretty good job. It's a lot smaller. I was able to fit my socks and boxers in there. And then I had to do it again for my pants and the pillowcase and the towel. The spin cycle uses about 250 watts, and that's a steady, consistent 250 watts. But after 5 minutes of spinning, it does a pretty good job. You see, I can't wring any water out of the clothing, and the rest will have to hang on the line to dry. This is not the perfect day to do laundry, but I wanted to test it out. It's a little cold today, and it's not sunny, so that limits the amount of power I have. And warm, sunny days are better for drying clothes. It doesn't vibrate very much, as you can see. I was afraid this would tip over, but it didn't. It's made out of plastic mostly, although it seems very sturdy for normal wear and tear. I don't think it'll handle any abuse, like dropping it or something like that. It's not very heavy. It's about 29 pounds, so it's easy to pick up. And I have to put it away because my goats would just destroy this. They would hate this thing. But this will work great for me. I'm very happy with this machine. I recommend it. I give it 5 stars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.